fingers through. There's no need of a brush at this point, you just run your fingers through.
Matter if it's true, I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Okay, so this is what the wig is currently looking like. This is what we're starting with. This is what we're working with. You can see the closure. I'm trying to bring it a bit forward. And this is the back of it. The curls are there, it's just they're not as defined, and there's a whole lot of dirt in here, and it's quite got knots and tangled up here at the back. I don't know if you can see that. Just on the crown of their heads, some curls are actually out, and this is the front of it. So this is what we're currently working with, and we gotta go through the process together on how to actually revamp this wig. It's definitely seen better days. I'm doing a client left this yesterday and I'm doing it today. Today is a Sunday and I'm just gonna do it for them, and I want to take you through the process of actually doing this. So yeah, let's head over the process of actually doing this. But yeah, I just wanted you to see what we're starting with, what we're working with. A lot of tanglement in between the hairs, and let's go and start the process together. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna drench our wig in water. Just soak it thoroughly. I'm using cold water, so just soak it thoroughly, like have it all drenched. So I have the wig all drenched, and I'm gonna get my shampoo. I put some shampoo in here that I use at the salon as well, and I'm just gonna use that. Okay, this is a bit slower. You can use any shampoo, pretty much any shampoo of your choice, and just okay. So it's thoroughly soaked. It's thoroughly soaked in shampoo, and I'm just gonna wash that. Can you see that? Can you see the dirt? Just look at the dirt from my shampoo. This wig has seen better days, trust me. Wow, I'm sure it's thankful to the owner for bringing it for a quick revamp and a quick wash through. I was supposed to have done this in the morning, but unfortunately my morning was taken up. So I'm just adding a bit more shampoo to it, drenching it, and just like really washing out that dirt. Like just wash out like you're washing clothes. Yeah, just give it a good wash. Wow, this wig is really dirty. Can you see the dirt? Can you guys see the dirt? Wow. I'm gonna go in with more shampoo just to give it, you know, more clean wash and a deeper clean wash so it actually feels fresh. More of the shampoo. I'm just pouring that. Generously, like generously pour that shampoo because this wig sure needs it. Okay, it's coming out cleaner now, so that's a sign we've gotten pretty much of that build up dirt. Most probably should be from the build up products, you know, the sprays that you put in, the serums, they actually build up. So the more reason to actually regularly take your wigs to the salon, bring them to us for a revamp. If you didn't know, we actually do have a salon. So rucci.edge.flair is actually a brand. It's a beauty brand that does all things beauty, fashion, and of course we do lifestyle. And this is what currently we're doing right now, by just teaching you guys on how to do some of these things, but professionally done. We can do it to you. You don't have to do it on your own. But I was just taking you the process of so what you want to do is, you don't really want to detangle. You see, as I'm pulling this, I'm just kind of like squeezing the water out. And now what we're gonna do is add conditioner. So I'm gonna add a bit of conditioner there, so like so. I'm gonna add that conditioner there, a bit more. I just realized I don't have a whole lot of home conditioner, so I don't want to go to the shop now, if I'm being honest. And just brush that hair out. That's what we're doing, just brush that hair out, especially where the closure is. This is I think a 4x4 closure. And then you go in also, just from using the brush, you go in with your wider tooth comb and just make sure you get all those knots in the hair while the conditioner is still in there. This is just to help it stay. We're going to rinse it off in a few. So just go in with your white tooth comb and just detangle every hair, every knot that is in the hair. Okay, here's where I rinsed off the conditioner. So that is the excess hair that we removed from the whole wig, the knots and everything, and I'm just rinsing off the conditioner here. And yeah, we went ahead and thoroughly rinsed off the conditioner so we don't have any of it on the products, any of the product on the hair. So we rinsed it very thoroughly. Okay, so I've just placed hot water in the basin, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add conditioner. So I've added conditioner to this. The water is very hot. Oops, I didn't want that in there. We're gonna throw it away. So then I'm just gonna mix the conditioner with the water and just get my wig, which is here. We're getting our wig and just placing it there for at least 15 minutes. So just place it in there for a good 15 minutes. So let it just soak. So we're leaving it in here for a good 15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes and we're just gonna take this out of here. Well, the water is still slightly hot, so I'm just trying to be careful. I'm trying to see where the middle. Oof, the water is hot. Okay. Okay, so I've just placed it outside and I'm running my fingers through it with conditioner. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. We are done. It's air dried, so it's almost dry, but I can say it's dry by now. It wasn't so sunny because, yeah, it is dry. So we're just gonna go ahead and just spray it with a little bit of oil. Just to give it a bit of a shine. so that it doesn't look too dry. And at the back as well. Okay, that's pretty much it. Just run my fingers through. Yeah, just run my fingers through. There's no need of a brush at this point. You just run your fingers through. And where you feel there's a need for oil, you can just fill up a bit. You can be generous with the oil, the spray oil. I'm using the olive nourishing sheen spray, the olive oil. Sheen spray. So we're just going through every layer. The aim is to, give it that bouncy. I know it feels like it's a lot, but trust me, this wig needed the boost. I'm just using my fingers to just run down through the hair and as well give it a head massage. Just run your fingers through, and this is what it's looking like. Can you see how clean it actually looks? Like it's looking very clean. And detangled with a fresh look, and of course the curls are revamped. I like how the back came out. So yeah, let me just do a 12 for you. Let me make this wig do a 12 for you. We're gonna trim a bit of the end. I did trim at the bottom end, but yeah, like at the back. So this is your new wig. So that's the 12, and yeah, just look at that. Look at how bouncy that looks. Just healthy hair, nice healthy hair. So I said it was a 12, and voila, we're done. Look at that bounce. Look at the curls. Just look at how defined they look, and look at the closure. Very defined. Yeah, until the next one, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Well, it's waiting half a step beyond our door.